A shocking video goes viral on social media on 2nd September 2020, showing a horrifying incident. The visuals are from Margao, wherein jewelry shop owner Swapnil Walke, aged 35, tried to nab thieves but could not manage as he was stabbed by unknown robber. As the robber tries to escape, some people ran behind the miscreants, but shockingly, others who were at the spot were just watching the incident. The police investigation is on in this matter. As soon as Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant came to know about the incident, CM spoke to DGP and SP South Goa and asked them to investigate the incident and arrest the culprits at the earliest. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following. Shocked by the tragic incident at the jewelry outlet in Margao today, I've spoken to DGP and SP South Goa and asked them to investigate the incident and arrest the culprits at the earliest. We will ensure that stern action is taken and the guilty are brought to justice. My deepest sympathies are with the family of the victim in this difficult time. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.